guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video I want to share with you how I created this very glamorous fall home decor. I made it with some items I picked up from the Dollar Tree and from my thrift store. If this is your first time here, please click that subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a new video. And if you're one of my old subscribers coming through to watch, I want to thank you so much for joining me today, guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. So if you're interested in how I made this glamorous home fall decor, just keep watching. Okay, so here I'm going to use the 3 small vases. This one I picked up from my thrift store. It's really beautiful, fluted. This one here is a smaller vase that I picked up from my thrift store as well. And this one I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And the price of the smaller ones that I picked up from my thrift store were about 50 cents each. So I'm going to be using some Minwax Polycrylic. This is like a polisher or a gloss that you put on your wood furniture. So I'm going to be using this today. I'm just going to shake it up before I use it. And I'm also going to be using this glitter, gold glitter. I'm going to be using silver glitter as well as an orange colored glitter. So I'm going to start with the smaller fluted vase, and I'm just going to use my foam brush and just dip it in that wax, and I'm going to apply the wax to the inside of the vase. I'm making sure I get the whole jar completely coated. So here I'm just using the gold extra fine glitter. I'm sprinkling it inside and making sure I get every bit of the inside covered with the glitter. The wax is going to help the glitter stick to the container. If you wanted to use Mod Podge, you could, or any other glue adhesive, you can use that. I'm just using the Minwax because it helps keep the glitter very shiny. So I'm going to do the same thing with this fish bowl from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use the orange glitter for this. And again, I'm just making sure that I coat the inside of the jar really well, every inch of the jar. And then I'm just going to sprinkle the orange glitter inside, making sure that the glitter coats the inside of the jar. This wax helps to keep the glitter very shiny and sparkling when it's seen from the outside of the glass. After I'm done, guys, I'm going to sit it off to the side and I'm going to let it dry for 5 hours. It's going to take a while for this to dry, between 5 and 6 hours. So before I do that, I just make sure I remove all the excess glitter and just put it back into the containers. So here they are. They've been drying now for about 5 hours. And as you can tell, you can see how shiny the glitter looks. It's inside the jar, but you can see how beautiful and sparkling it looks on the outside. So I did the silver one earlier. I used the Mod Podge as a sealer. So here I'm going to be using the ArtSkills Self-Stick Gemstone Variety Pack. And here you get 5 different colors and 3 different shapes. So you get 1,400 gemstones in all. And today I'm going to be using the clear. Also, I'm going to be using the gemstone stickers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to apply the gemstones that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to apply that to the base. So this end here is the top. I'm going to be using that as the top portion of the vase. But before I apply the gemstone to the bottom, I'm going to start decorating the vase. And guys, I had to start earlier just so that I can give you an idea of what kind of design I was going to create. And this is the design I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to finish this around the outside of the container. So I'm going to be applying 3 different shapes. I'm going to alternate the shapes all the way down and around the container. So this part was really hard to film for you guys because I had to make sure that the jar was in front of me so that I could see and make sure that the gemstones were being applied evenly. So I'm going to try to switch up a little bit and give you a better view so that you can see what I'm doing. And as you can see, I'm applying the diamond shape, the square shape, and the circle shape, and then I'm going to alternate that all the way down and around the container. So that's what I got there, and it looks so nice already. I love the way it looks. So here I tried to raise the jars just to give you a different view. I don't know if it helped, but you can see clearly what I'm doing here. So here I'm just applying the Dollar Tree gemstones at the bottom of the jar. I'm just going to apply those same Dollar Tree gemstones to the top. And now that that's finished, I'm going to apply this crystal door pull to the top just to give it a little extra glamour. And this one is finished. And this one came out absolutely beautiful, guys. I love the way this looks. So now it's time to do the gold container, and I'm going to use the gold gemstones that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to apply them into those decorative sections on this jar, and I'm going to do this all the way around the container. And this is what that looks like, guys. That's done, and that looks so nice. The color is gorgeous and it's very sparkly. So here I'm going to use this brooch that I picked up from my flea market, and the backing has already been removed. The pin has already been removed, so I'm just going to hot glue that to the top of this container, and this one is finished. So now it's time to do the last bowl, which is this orange one. And I'm going to be using some gemstones that I picked up from Craft Buddy US. I picked these up last year, guys. I hope these are available. If you're interested in recreating this, I'll try to find them for you. And these come with, I think you get about 80, and they come in different shapes and sizes. As you can see, I'll put some on my hand so that you can see it. These are absolutely beautiful, and they're sparkling also. I'm going to use these to decorate the orange glittered bowl. So on the top, I'm going to create a floral design using the round shape in the center with the pear shapes on the outside, creating the petal of the flower. Really cute, guys. Isn't that nice? I love the way that looks. So now I'm just going to be adding some gemstones right under each of the petals. And guys, this is what that looks like. This is all done and it came out absolutely gorgeous. I was telling my sister as I finished each one, I kept telling myself each one was my favorite. The next one was my favorite, and they all came out beautiful. I absolutely love them. Guys, let me know which one is your favorite. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'd be very happy to hear from you. Please don't forget to thumbs up my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.